2012. This is my business in Cebu. Some are they know my lumpia already and they said it's yummy. Let's see. It's KARYA's lumpia. Shanghai roll. Shanghai. I prepare bell pepper. You need to choose the red bell pepper, carrots, onion. It's okay, any onion, but I choose the white onion. Then bulb of garlic. Magic sarap. And sugar. This is sugar. I don't let you see what I do to my secret recipe only, but I show already, but the taste I don't show you. So sorry. This is my business when I want to go home Cebu. I do again because the lots already know what is KARYA's lumpia. It's KARYA's lumpia. KARYA's lumpia now, not Karen. I show you later the packaging, the later before in Cebu. In Cebu, in one night, I tell you little clip. In one night, I make lumpia 20 kilos. Maybe one person order me 100 pack. In every pack, I have 10 pieces in one pack. I sell it in 35. I can do 5 kilos, any kilos, 15 kilos, 20 kilos. How to make taste. Sorry, I can't speak well. I can speak Tagalog, but I'm Bolon. I know how to Tagalog, but it's so long to processing. It's mixing the Tagalog and the Bisaya, and it's ugly to hear. They laugh at me. So better speak English so that everybody can understand. I tell you, let's talk about my lumpia because I make lumpia. In one night, I start packaging, the rolling, the packaging in plastic. I sell it. I do all. I do market. I do myself. I can. KARYA, so adventurous. Wala akong pinipiling trabaho. I can all. If I can my body. I have 3 kids. I am a single mother. So when I asking, bahala kayo kung hindi kayo nagtatanong. Wala akong amo ngayon, so makapagsalita ako na kahit ano, bahala kayo. hindi na whispering. I can talk na. Mga video ko, whispering ginagamit ko ba? Napapagsalita lang ako kung nasa labas lang ako. Pero dito na, I can talk na because I don't have boss all day. We chop this one. It's better you grind it in a machine because the juiciness. It's important. It's there, the taste, the juicy of the ingredients, but cannot there. So we need to chop. I should bawang. Chop. Nagtatlo na pala anak ko. My 17 years old, my 12 years old, at 8. Yung malaki na nila ko. Sabi ng kapitbahay ko, Ate Golyes. Shout out, Ate Golyes. From Pardo, Cebu. Thank you. I miss you, Ate Golyes. Sabi niya, balik ka sa Cebu. Bigyan kita ng puhunan. Oo? Bigyan niya ako ng puhunan. Huwag kang think business. Ano ang gusto mo yung business negosyo? Ano ang paborito mo? Ano ang hilig mo? Ganon siya sa akin. Wala ako, ate. Wala akong hilig. Wala talaga akong talent. Anong puhunan ni ate? Tapos, my mother told me that, sige, ito na lang, try natin. Lumpia because Karen also is lazy me sometimes. I don't make it, I don't have order. Then that all neighbors in our subdivision know already my lumpia. The canteen in my children in school, I send also every day. The teachers also there know already. And in Carbon Cebu, because every day I market order every morning 6-5 a.m. in the morning. I went to Carbon to buy vegetable because it's cheaper there. Minglanilla to Carbon because we live in Minglanilla, Cebu.
I already chopped the carrots. It means already I have carrots, and this is the onion, the meat, pork meat, and the garlic here, and This is the bell pepper, red. You need to choose the red bell pepper, and my magic syrup and the salt and sugar. And we mix all together.
I show you my, this is secret only, but I show you little what the processing of it. This is the carrots and the meat. I don't cook the meat, I just leave olive oil. And the onion, chop onion, mix together, the pepper, the sugar, clean. And mix it well. Mix together. And as well, you mix it with love. KARYA. And actually, it's okay. Try. It's wrapping time. The wrapper here is with the lumpia. I will eat like that. Make it small so that it's easy to cook. Kasi po, magsa-start ako mag-wrapping 8 p.m. in the evening until 3 a.m. in the morning. It's so tired at the puppy sitting, they do like that because I deliver in morning, so we need to finish all the 20 kilos at one night only. 20 kilos at one night only, can? It's 22,000. 2,000 like this. But my mother helped me, not only me. My mother is there. When it's so easy to wrap in. It was like that only, so that it will be tight. My mom said, "Oh, you did that thing. Why it's yummy?" It's yummy, mom, because KARYA's secret. What is KARYA's secret? KARYA's secret is love. Love. There's a love in it. Love of my lumpia. KARYA's lumpia. It's KARYA's lumpia. You spread and you do like this, and you put some water and you push here, and you can roll. No pushing. Again, look at Karen's hand. You put like that, you do like this, and do like that, and pushing, and you roll it. So easy na. So meaning na. Nagluto ako ng isa para tasting ba kung anong lasa, kung anong kulang. Kasi kapag timpla ko dito, estimate lang ba? Walang timbangan. Iba kasi pag tigdan na, iba kasi kung amo nang kumakain. Okay lang kung kita. Kung magluluto kayo ng lumpia, first, malakas yung apoy. Tapos, pag mainit na yung mantika, so, pinaan yung apoy, low fire lang. Tapos, wag iwan, palagi lang nakahalo pa. Para talaga na yung nasa ilalim luto. Kasi, hindi ito niluluto ko. Fish kasi yung nasa loob, hindi ko nahapto. At tapos, deep fry, not so little oil. Dito more oil. Dito malilit, konti lang oil. Isa lang. Kasi wala ng oil. Tignan natin kung anong nasa. So iba kasi yung lasa dito na wrapper sa Hong Kong. Hindi siya ano yun, maalat, matabang eh. Kasi yung timpla ko sa lumpia ko, yung parang para sa wrapper sa Cebu, maalat ba. Dito, dati na. Dito na yung bato sa ilalim. Hindi ka nakabul. Ouch. Try to taste it. Anong kulang? Parang may kulang pa. Yung sugar siguro. Yummy. It's okay. I can taste the saltiness. I can taste the sweetiness. I can taste KARYA's lumpia. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Finished. The finished product. So nice. This is the finished product. I sell this one like this in Cebu. 10 pesos, 35 pesos.